How to delete a photo in KineMaster using your iPhone. Whether you added the wrong image or just want to clean up your timeline, it's super easy. Let's get started. First, open your project in KineMaster like this. Once you open it, go to the timeline at the bottom and tap the photo you want to delete. You will see it highlighted with yellow border. Now look at the menu on the right side. Just tap the try scan icon. Tap on it. And that's it, the photo is gone from your timeline. Super simple and easy. Let me do it again. Tap on media. Once you add it, choose on the video or photo you wanna delete, tap on it. And then once you choose it, tap on this icon again. That's it. Deleting the photo in KineMaster is super easy process. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss KineMaster tip. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.